That was weird. Some guy just approached me and asked me if I was for sale. I was like, no. People are weird. They're just weird. Okay, so here we have a really cool toy hauler fifth wheel. I have to do one. Triple axle. This baby's big. It's gonna be massive inside. Jayco Seismic. That one over there looks really interesting. We're gonna go through that one too. This thing looks boss, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm the boss. 45 foot. It's massive. This is massive. 45 foot 2018 Seismic. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. Pretty substantial slide there too. Okay. Let's enter this bad boy. Look at that. Nice steps. Oh my goodness, it's so dark though. Why? Why do you have to make them so dark? Oh, the steps are they give a little bit. Okay. Whew, it is hot in here. Okay, when that slides out, this pulls out into a really big living room area. Looks lighter on the camera. It's dark. Look at that. Massive sofa area. It looks like they all pull out into loungers. Big kitchen. Double refrigerator. Pantry. Step-up kitchen. This is $65,495. Glass tile, I believe. It looks like glass tile. Yeah, that's glass tile. Beautifully done. Wow. This is something. Lots of closet. Lots and lots of closet. And it's dark. Okay. Jack and Jill bathroom. Nice tub. New style type sink, of course. Toity. Decent sized TV in the bedroom. Cabinets. Looks like a queen size bed. And closets over here. Back out of here. And then this is a view from the bedroom area, which steps up even one more layer. I don't know how tall. Of course, I could touch the ceiling on this end. And over there in that corner is a loft area above the entry door to the garage. No dinette if y'all like dinettes. Let me see what's behind here though. What is that? It won't open. I guess it doesn't open when the slide's closed. I'm not sure what that is. It's interesting. Whatever it may be. I'd have to have a step ladder to use that. It's the loft area that I spoke of. And then the garage area. Oh, okay. The garage area. This is probably the bathroom. Yes, a small bathroom in the garage area. Small bathroom in the garage area, and hookups for washers. Washer dryer prep location. And of course your toy hauler section, your garage section with drop down seating or bedding. Look at that. The bed's on top, the seats are down there. However, the seats would drop down and you could make like a bunk area here. Also have your garage entrance here. Lots of windows for ventilation. Must have a vacuum system too, because I see a bunch of hoses here. Can't really see them on the camera. In the living room area, you also have a large TV and a little fireplace. Okay, so that is it for the 45-foot 2018 Seismic toy hauler for $65,495. Fantastic fan in the kitchen, and of course ducted air and ducted heat.